Humans now control the majority of all surface of freshwater fluctuations on Earth. A regime change of almost unimaginable scale has taken place in the natural world, reflecting humanity's vast and growing dominance over one of our planet's most vital resources, fresh water. In what researchers say is the first global survey of human impacts on the water cycle, scientists have used NASA satellite measurements to remotely quantify changes in the level of water held in a stunning number of water bodies, 227. 386 of the world's ponds, lakes, and reservoirs, whether small or large. While human-managed reservoirs such as artificial dams comprise only 3.9% of this giant planetary-scale system of surface-level water storage, that tiny fraction masks a mind-boggling truth about how much control humanity really exerts over freshwater fluctuations. When the amount of overall change in water levels across both natural and human-managed systems is calculated, it turns out that the human-controlled reservoirs represent 57% of all surface water variability, more than half of all the ebb and flow in freshwater systems. We tend to think of the water cycle as a purely natural system. Rain and snowmelt run into rivers, which run to the ocean where evaporation starts the whole cycle again, explains geophysicist Sarah Cooley from Stanford University. But humans are actually intervening substantially in that cycle. Our work demonstrates that humans are responsible for a majority of the seasonal surface water storage variability on Earth. The results, gleaned from 22 months of data collected by NASA's ICE, Cloud and Land Elevation Satellite 2, ISAT-2, provide a first-of-their-kind snapshot of water storage around the globe, capturing and measuring water bodies as small as a football field within the survey. Previous satellites have not been able to come anywhere close to that, Cooley says, but while the scientific achievements are admirable, the takeaways are not. There are a lot of ways in which this is bad for the environment. Still, the realization that we've assumed majority control over something as natural as the ebb and flow of fresh water is a disquieting discovery. Of all the volume changes in fresh water bodies around the planet, all the floods, droughts and snowmelt that push lake levels up and down, humans have commandeered almost 60% of that variability, says environmental scientist Lawrence Smith from Brown University. That's a tremendous influence on the water cycle. In terms of human impact on the planet, this is right up there with impacts on land cover and atmospheric chemistry. For more, you can click the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, well, still give it a thumbs up.